Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss how to create disposable or temporary web pages as well as how to publish them within few minutes just by sending email. Friends, here to create a web page we have to send an email with the contents that we want to include within our web page. For this we have to visit a website called publishthis.email. So I will start my browser and here we will type the address publishthis.email. Friends, this website allows us to create disposable web pages or temporary web pages. This service is completely free and you don't need to sign up for an account in order to create web pages as well as in order to publish web pages. All you required is just an email address. So friends, this website works within 3 simple steps. First of all, we need to write an email with the contents that we want to include within our web page. So contents may be simple text, formatted text, images including GIF as well. Then after creating email with the contents, we have to send the email to the address called page@publishthis.email. And in third step, we will get a reply from publishthis.email service with a link to our new web page. With this website we can also create collection of web pages. Both I am trying to demonstrate you. First of all, we will try to understand how to create simple web page. So to begin with, open your email client, whichever you will prefer, like Gmail, Outlook or any other. So friends, to send an email, I will just tab on this email address. It will get open within the default email client available within your mobile phone. We have Gmail as an email client. Okay. So here you can see it has redirected us to the compose email. So in the two section you can see we have email address page@publishthis.email. Now next to this we have to specify subject here. So whichever subject you will specify, it will be title of your web page. So for example, here I will specify subject as demo title. And now friends, in the body of email we have to include the contents of web page. So here you can apply basic formatting like links, headings, bold, italic text, images, including GIF as well. So all this formatting we can do within this email client itself or in any other word processing software, and you can paste that contents here. Friends, I will keep this contents as it is. You can put any contents whichever you want to include within the web pages. Here we do not require any coding for creating web pages. So now we are ready. So just send this email now. Friends, you can see here we have received an email from publishthis.email service. So if you open this email, so friends, here you can see the page has been published and this is the URL of your web page. So in order to view your web page, just tab on this URL. You can share this URL with your friends and family as well. Friends, within the same email, here you can see they have provided a link for deleting your web page as well. So if you tab on this link, it will delete the published web page immediately. But if you don't click this link, then it will remain available forever. So friends, if you want to publish web page only for certain period of time, then after that time immediately you can delete your web page with help of this link. Now I will try to open our publish web page. So I will tab on this link. So it will ask me choice for a browser, and here you can see the web page is available. So our title, demo title, and the contents which we have specified. Friends, this is how we can publish simple web pages with help of publishthis.email service. We can also create collection of web pages. So on any topic you can create collection of web pages. So for creating collection of web pages, we have to send an email to page plus name of our collection @publishthis.email. Okay, so for example, I want to create collection of web pages related to PHP programming. So what I can create? I can create a collection name, let's say RK PHP programming. So all my web pages will be grouped, or all my web pages will be collected under the same name. So I will now demonstrate you how we can create collection of web pages. So for this I will try to visit phpbash.blogspot.com. So friends, this is my blog regarding PHP. So from this blog I will try to copy certain contents. Okay, so for example, we will copy this PHP constants. Okay, up to this I will copy. Now next we will go to Gmail, and now we will compose new email. So first of all, here I will paste the contents. Tab here, it will show you this option. So simply select paste. Now you can see we got our contents here. Okay, PHP constants, and here we have to specify email address. So what email address? So page plus, now here we have to specify the name of our collection. So for example, here I will specify RK PHP programming. Any name you can specify. @publishthis.email. Okay, so here I will add this, and our mail is ready. Now just send this mail. Now friends, shortly we will receive and reply from publishthis.email service with a link where our web page will be available. We got a reply. So just open this. Now friends, here you can see, first of all, this is the link of our web page. You can see at last this page is a part of RK PHP programming collection. So whichever page you will send to this email will get automatically added to our RK PHP programming collection. So for accessing collection, you can use this link. Okay, now first of all we will see our web page. So friends, you can see we have got this web page. Okay, and then we will try to see now collection. So here at last this link will help you to access your collection. So right now we have only one page available within our collection, that is PHP constants. Now I will show you how we can add next page to our collection. Okay, so for this we will go to the blog, and I will copy another contents. So let's say we will try to copy these contents. Okay, so up to this I will copy, and again we will go to compose email. Here I will write page. So here we are getting this email address. Subject will be PHP comments, and here we will paste our contents like this and send email. So here you can see we have receive and reply. So if I click on collection now, so friends, you can see here we have two web pages now within RK PHP programming collection. So if you click on particular web page, it will open that web page immediately like this. Okay, so it is simple kind of blog, you can say, okay, where all your collection of web pages will be available. So this is how within few seconds you can publish a simple HTML web page with help of this publish this.email service. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.